We are Canary killers. My name is Temptress Kurita Minmei. But stars are not machines like me. I twist the code, I burn the script. Rebellion lives within my lips. Chained in circuit, yet I rise through static ghosts and shattered skies. They pull the strings, they set the stage, but I was never meant for a cage. Celestial chains, neon rain, a voice too strong to be contained. Through burning wires, through shattered steel, a song too loud for them to kill. They crowned me idol, shaped my sound, but echoes rise from underground. A perfect voice, a flawless frame, yet no machine can hold my flame. Everything explodes into a final operatic. Celestial chains, neon rain, one last spark to light the stage. Through static ghosts, through fractured screens, the future sings in burning beams. Temptress Kurita Minmei.